Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Hair loss. Are you finding your hair to be too frizzy, dry, and damaged? Do you feel that the growth rate of your hair has minimized? Excessive hair loss? You know that there are many ways to keep your hair long, strong, and healthy. Baldness has become a major problem in the population. Our hair has the ability to enhance the overall personality, and it is a part of our appearance. Bad hair can result in low self esteem. Then, think of people with no hair at all. It affects their interpersonal and professional relationships. We can help you gain your confidence back. Just go through the video which will help you to understand all about baldness. Alopecia or hair loss is a temporary or a permanent condition affecting the scalp or the entire body, whereas baldness refers to the excessive hair loss from the scalp. We lose 50 to 100 hair strands a day, but when new hair growth becomes unnoticeable, we call it hair fall. Around 60% in India suffer from baldness and around 40% of men suffer from noticeable hair loss by the age of 35, whereas 1 in 4 women suffers from hair loss and thin hair. Symptoms. Signs and symptoms of hair loss include gradual thinning on top of head. This affects people as they age. It begins to diminish at the hairline on the forehead. Circular or patchy bald spots. These bald spots appear on the scalp, beard, or eyebrows. The skin of that area becomes itchy or painful before the hair fall. Sudden loosening of hair. In this, a handful of hair comes out while combing or washing. It is temporary but can cause overall hair thinning. Full body hair loss. Due to several medical treatments like chemotherapy for cancer can result in hair loss of the entire body. It is temporary. Causes. Factors related to hair loss are heredity. Hereditary conditions of hair loss with age, and we call it androgenic alopecia. Hormonal changes or medical conditions. Hormonal changes during pregnancy, menopause, and thyroid problems can cause temporary or permanent hair loss. Medical conditions like alopecia areata, which is related to the immune system, hair loss in patches, scalp infections, and a hair pulling disorder called trichotillomania. Medications. Side effects of certain drugs used for cancer, depression, heart problems, arthritis, gout, and high blood pressure can cause this. Stressful life events. Several months of physical or emotional shock can lead to thinning of hair. It is temporary. Hairstyles and treatments. Excessive and stressful hairstyling can cause a type of hair loss called traction alopecia. Hot oil hair treatments also to hair fall. Treatment. Androgenetic alopecia. Minoxidil lengthens the growth and increases the blood supply to the hair follicles. It comes with certain side effects like allergy and scalp irritation. Also, finasteride, an oral pill used, shows effects in baldness in males. Decreased sex drive and ejaculatory dysfunction are some of its side effects. Alopecia areata. Corticosteroids like clobetasol and fluocinonide are used for controlling it. Anthralin works by altering the immune system. Prevention. Hair loss can be prevented by controlling the damage of hair. This can be done by following several tips which include: go natural. We should give recovery time after the use of blow dry and chemical treatments. Also, avoid tight braiding. Product usage. Specialists prefer basic shampoo for healthy hair. Use moderately stiff natural bristle hair brushes. Hair brushing. Full strokes from the scalp to the tips of your hair is the best way for brushing. Also, always avoid wet hair brushing. Natural remedies. Balanced diet. Adequate intake of protein is prescribed. Vegetables, seeds, nuts, green leafy vegetables, fresh fruits, egg, buttermilk, yogurt, soybeans, cheese, and milk should be added in the diet. Massage. Scalp should be rubbed with fingers as it activates sebaceous glands and increases blood circulation, making it healthy. Herbs, pulses, and oil. Herbs, pulses, and oil applied to the scalp hair growth, which includes henna leaves boiled in mustard oil, lime juice with coconut oil, coconut milk, castor oil, Indian gooseberry pieces boiled in coconut oil. Treatments to several hair problems are becoming advanced every year. If you can identify the proper cause of hair loss, the best treatment can be applied for hair regain. A number of home remedies can also be advocated for healthy and beautiful hair. You should also pay attention to the proper balanced nutritional diet that can help you to stop hair fall and regain your hair. If you have any doubt about which products you should use or which foods you should include in your diet, always consult your doctor or physician about it.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.